Page 38, Waltzing. In this lesson, they're talking about the whole rest and the double duty thing that I've already talked about. So hopefully you already know that. A whole rest can be the same as a whole note, and it gets the same number of counts as a whole note. Or a whole rest can simply represent a whole measure, regardless of how many counts in it. So in 3/4 time, you'll notice whole rests in these measures. They get 3 counts here. This is the whole measure. Oh, big deal. Over on writing time, they want you to write in the bass F in the first one and the middle C in the second one. And they've drawn a little line for you for the middle C down below. I'll let you do that. It's whole notes, this is what they're telling you to do. At the bottom, on closer look, there they want you to trace the F line in the bass across. I guess they just want you to trace that line. It's the next to the top line. I don't know what you're tracing, whatever. You trace whatever you want. I don't care, just whatever, if that's it. The idea is you need to know that is an F. Now, let's look at this waltzing thing, see what we get. I look it over. I see it's a line long, but it's repeated. But we only have one line of music to learn. The clef signs are treble and bass clef again. The time signature now is 3/4, which makes sense because waltzes are generally in 3/4 time. That's the idea. And I glance through it, I see a bunch of quarter notes and dotted half notes. Dotted half notes are common in 3/4 time because remember, they're the same as 3 quarter notes. So they get the whole measure. But you'll notice on measures 5 and 6 that 2 hands are playing at the same time. So this is the first time where we got the hands playing at the same time. Gets better and better, don't it? Now, generally, when the hands play at the same time, I like to take it just one hand at a time. But this is short, and to shorten the video, I'm going to go ahead and talk about both hands at the same time. The left hand is starting with third finger on the F here. That puts the hand in this position. The right hand starts with third finger on middle C here. That puts the right hand in this position. So they're both sharing A. We're not using the notes, so it doesn't matter. But that's the position where we are. And so it just, forget the rhythm, play the notes. We got these, and then these, and then some more of these, and then we got these, and then measure 5, it's the F and the C together. Okay? It's like one hand doing both, except now you split it up between the hands. Okay? And then add the counting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Get the idea? So I go through it, and I play it, and I count it carefully. And then I go back over it however many times I need to, slowly, and I will get rid of any hesitations. Also, you need to be able to play this piece without looking at the keyboard. I mean, you're only playing 2 notes. So, yeah, try and, again, that feeling of playing, what am I doing with my hands because I'm not looking. That feeling. Then I think about the dynamics. P is soft. Piano. How soft? I don't know. Soft, light. The whole thing, is that's the only dynamic that they give you? Okay. And then finally, the tempo. A moderate waltz tempo. Because waltzes, you can have fast waltzes and slow waltzes, and then in-between waltzes, and I guess this is an in-between waltz. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Somewhere in there. Don't copy me, please. You don't have to take it at that speed. You can take it a little louder and softer as you feel it. Remember the natural accent in 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. If you're struggling feeling that, then exaggerate it at first. Go. Until you can feel that. You want to feel this as you're playing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Because if you'll feel it, you'll play it that way, and the people listening will pick up on it. And you notice it is repeated. It's got a repeat sign, so you play it twice. I don't remember if I mentioned that or not. Let's play it together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts because there's only 3 beats in a measure, and we will play it twice. 1, ready, go. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, repeat. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. There's a duet at the bottom of the page for this. I'd like to play that. You play what you just played, but I need you to go up an octave again. So just pretend that middle C instead of here is up here. So instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. I'm going to speed it up a little bit, and we will repeat it. 1, ready, go.